Ano pa letter? Oh, what
F.
letter?
Yay!
Good. How about this one? Oh, this one? Oh, what letter? Ano? What letter? What letter?
No?
Very
Very good!
Ta.
Yay!
Oh, this one. Oh, galing naman ng baby, oh. What letter?
Umbrella.
Very good. Umbrella. How about this one? Oh, what letter?
Very good.
How about this one? Oh, look. What letter? What letter? What letter? Look, Lin. What letter is that? And naku-confuse pa siya. Oh. How about this one? Oh. How about this one? X. X.
X.
How about this one? Oh, what letter?
Yeah. Very good. Yay!
Last. What letter is this?
Z.
Very good.
Yay!
Eto, your favorite letter. Oh.
No.
What letter?
Very good. High five.
High five na, tita. High
High five.
Oh. Your favorite letter din, oh. To.
Very good. Good job.